video is for those people who want to go to safari trip and don't know what to take with themselves. And I was one of those people, because when we booked the safari trip, I really had no idea what to take with me. So here are the things you must carry with you. Number one, don't forget to take the special spray against malaria, because as you could hear from my previous videos, malaria is very dangerous, and people really die from the mosquitoes. That's why, number one, take the spray, and each 8 hours you must put it on, and then you're safe. So if you are here like we are 5 days, it's approximately at least 2 bottles for 2 people, and we also have Alina, and Alina has the bottle also for the child. So make sure that you have enough. Number two, I would advise you to take only the colors of the nature. I mean, the clothes should be colored as the colors of the nature. For example, I have this sweater which is a khaki color, which is really looks kind of the same as the tree leaves. I also have this beige pants, which also looks very much like sand. I also have a couple of other t-shirts and pants, which are again cream or beige or khaki color, and please avoid very bright colors like red, pink, I don't know, any crazy colors. By the way, I'm filming this video, and behind myself you can see sometimes the hippos. I will put you guys like this, because it's very nice for you to watch when hippo is coming out of the water. So yeah, everything in natural. You need to take, I would advise you to take also the cappy with you. I also have it with me. It's very handy, because if you drive in the evening, you can wear it, and there are a lot of flies and other insects which can come into your eyes, so you can wear it and hide yourself. And also in the morning, so during the day when the sun is very high, like now it's not high, but normally it's very hot, so it also covers you a little bit. Also, I would advise to take your sunglasses, which is very important to protect your eyes, but also in the evening sometimes it's nice to cover yourself from the insects. I also advise you to take, of course, a couple of socks and underwear. Sun protection is very important, because sun is very bright and it can really damage your skin. So of course 50%, 30% depend on how dark you are, but still please protect your skin. I also would advise you to take camera, of course, the batteries, don't forget those things, anti-sanitizers, because you will go to the toilet, to the bathroom right in the bush, so there are no special bathrooms for you guys on the way. So if you are extreme princess or extreme prince, I need to disappoint you guys, because you will go to the toilet right here in the bush. But before that, you will ask your ranger if it's safe to go, because if it's not place which they checked before, you will not be allowed to step out of the car. Be prepared that you're gonna sit for about 3-4 hours. Of course, you will make a pause in between, and I showed you in my series that in between we had some cookies and lunch and chips and some drinks, and also in our camp we have rangers who give us alcohol and some tonic and sodas, some chips, bitong. This is a dried meat, South African dried meat, you know, so we have some snacks with us. But you normally drive for 2 hours, then you make this pause, and then another 2 hours, or 1.5 hour pause, or 1.5 hour. So basically you are very sitting and shaking very much in the car a lot. You're, as you heard, you're not allowed to step away from the car unless the ranger allowed you to do so. So make sure that you have a comfortable clothes, and you're not overdressed. You definitely don't need fancy clothes here. It's about more coloring and comfortness of yours. I also would advise you guys to take a bottle of water. Rangers have water with you, but of course you also need to have your own You also can take the very small towel with you, because sometimes if you sweat, you need to you know, help yourself and remove the sweat out of your face, and if there is a waterfall or something like that, so you have something to wipe yourself off. Then you also can take some wet tissues, for example, to clean your hands. Maybe some people need also deodorant, because you really sweat a lot. You in a wild fields, you meet wild animals, so you just need the basic kit. I also advise you to wear the layers of clothes, so t-shirt, and then you take the jacket with you, and also you don't need to wear the short shorts. Just wear the normal length trousers, because it's better to cover your feet. When you leave anyway early in the morning, it's quite fresh, so you will have definitely to wear the long sleeve, but in the afternoon when you leave, it's quite hot, so you wear the t-shirt and still long sleeve, because when you have the open Jeep, we have this Land Cruiser Jeep, and you still get the wind, so it's not that hot as if you stand still. Now we have a pause for the coffee break, and I'm filming this video, but normally you spend all this time in the car with the wind. That's why it's very important to understand that it's not going to be that hot as you expect, but also it's not going to be extremely cold. I also would advise to take a scarf. Most of the Jeeps they have the blankets, so they will give you the blanket and you can use it in the morning and in the evening. The fleece, so it's quite warm. But I would advise you to take your own something extra, because I have it with me. I have my jacket. Each car also has the little pockets where you can save, you can put your camera and your telephone, but you don't take much with you on safari. If you have like a little purse, it's okay, but don't take a big one, because there is no spot for that. I will show you now how it looks, the pocket for your belongings, but again, don't take too many things, because you definitely will not use it. And most of the lodges you have breakfast, lunch and dinner included, so you need to take also some clothes with you, which you will wear in lunchtime, because normally when you wake up, you go to safari first, so at 5 o'clock you wake up, you get to the wake-up call, and then at 6 o'clock you leave for the trip. So at 9 o'clock you are back, maybe 9:30, then you go for the lunch immediately, basically, because you're quite tired but you are hungry, so you go, you have a lunch, and after that you go to sleep, or you go to the pool, because our lodge has a pool, so you can chill and relax. And then at 1 o'clock you have a lunch, so basically that's the moment when you will change to different clothes, and then from 1 till 3 you have a lunch, and from 4:30 you start to have the second part of the safari trip of your day, until the 7-8 o'clock in the evening. And after that, when you're just done with safari, you whether can go to shower and change, or sometimes we were going immediately, so because we were so tired afterwards, after dinner, we would be just completely smashed in the bed and sleep immediately, because at 5 o'clock we would want to leave again. So you need to understand that, and the safari lodge is of course about relaxation and enjoying the nature, but also you kind of have a schedule with and short timing. It's long but short. You need to be scheduled, that you also have enough energy to participate in those activities. And it's a shame if you're gonna miss it, because you are here for this amazing experience, and you're here to enjoy the nature. And if you are 4 days and miss almost all safari because you don't want to wake up at 5 o'clock, it's shame, you know, because the most amazing things we've seen so far were on the sunrise, especially that video with the leopard mating. And if you didn't see that one, this is the link on that video, and I do advise you guys to make an effort and do this amazing experience this, because it's really a lifetime one. So these are basic things you need to take with you. And one reminder, if you travel outside of South Africa, from India, Asia, Europe, United States, you need to remember that here we have different plugs. So there are triangles, and you also need to have the connector for your phone, because the connector you use will not work here. That's for sure. You can get it in the airport, or you can get it somewhere on the way. Not all hotels have the extenders and these connectors which will be suitable for your phone, so please make sure you have it with you, because it's gonna help you. Guys, also take the binoculars with you, because you will be able then to watch the animals from the long distance. Sometimes they're not that close to you as you expect. You know what, let's go to Bryce and ask him also some tips what to take. Maybe I forgot something, guys. With me, Bryce! Bryce, what do you would advise to take to people, for people to safari trip, apart from sanitizers, binocle, sunglasses, dry small towel, wet tissues, kepi, maybe scarf, warm clothes, short sleeve. What else?
Short
cookies.
Sleeve, maybe.
No cookies.
No cookies.
It's here
we have
included.
cookies here for you, correct?
Yes.
Correct. So always closed shoes as well. Closed shoes is good. Maybe you're going to go on a walk as well. So if you do bring open shoes, it does become a little bit of a problem. So closed shoes, always good.
No sandals, no high heels, girls.
Yes, no.
Yeah.
Definitely no high heels, no high heels. And a good open mindset. So remember, coming out here, the animals do what they want is always good. Just to sit and watch and see exactly what they get up to. But I think everything definitely covered in that list of all the stuff that you need to bring.
Bring also love and positivity, and
Correct.
then all the animals come and show themselves and share with you their lifestyle.
Correct.
Yes. Thank you, Bryce. And this is his
Pleasure.
Instagram. So basically that's it. I hope you're gonna enjoy your trip, and I hope you enjoy my video, and please subscribe and don't forget to like this video, and let's see where I will go next.